We are living in an era when the rate of change is accelerating and legacy platforms simply can't keep up. Some capabilities that are basic out-of-the-box functionality in a modern platform might be either impossible or incredibly difficult and expensive to achieve in an outdated system. Let's take a look at a few features in Acumatica that should be basic requirements for any legacy platform replacement. One of the first differences you will notice with Acumatica is the universal search, which allows you to search all areas of the ERP. The results will populate in 4 different tabs, providing you with menu items, transactions and profiles, help documentation, and files all in one place. Would you like to be able to easily upload a file, such as a W-9 to a vendor record? With Acumatica, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. From the same screen, I can create a task for another employee in my organization that is related to this record. For instance, I might want someone in the accounting department to request a new W-9 from this vendor. After I add some description information, priority level, and assign this to an employee, they can receive a notification and take action on the task. While Acumatica has a deep feature set, we know there may be systems that you need to integrate with because you can't do without them. There are a variety of integration methods, including robust API capabilities to connect with other systems. One example is the native integration with Shopify. Easily connect your Shopify site and decide whether data will be imported to Acumatica, exported from Acumatica, or if there will be a bidirectional connection for items such as customer records. Bank reconciliation tends to be a painful process, especially if you are relying on a legacy ERP with limited functionality. With Acumatica, you can establish a bank feed with your financial institution, which will allow you to import transactions right from your bank. On the Process Bank Transaction screen, I can download the transactions right from the bank and then use the auto-matching feature in Acumatica to help me match my bank and book transactions. With a variety of pre-built reports and financial statements, you have the benefit of simply using the out-of-the-box reports or making edits to them rather than starting from scratch. View a consolidated report or break down your data by company or branch. Since financials are tightly connected in Acumatica, you can start from a high level on a financial statement and drill down all the way to a GL batch. If you make a reversing entry, Acumatica will show the link to the original entry here, sparing you the need to search for it. This video barely scratched the surface of the capabilities throughout all of Acumatica's industry editions. If you are interested in exploring Acumatica as a replacement for your current legacy platform, please contact us by calling our team or visiting us online.